Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you how to fix that your device, your headphones keep disconnecting from your phone. So how to actually fix this? The first thing you need to do is charging your headphones up to 100%. It's quite long, I know, but you need to leave it charging and then after that you need to check if it works. If your headphones work flawlessly, without any problems, you are good to go. The only thing that you need to do is remember to charge your headphones. If it doesn't work still after charging your headphones, you need to try connecting your device to a different sort of phone, like different phone, different laptop, different, maybe the TV, it doesn't matter, just a different device. Just connect your headphones to a different device. Then you need to check if the connection still drops. If the connection still drops, we are actually sure that our issue is located in the headphones. However, if you see that the connection is not dropping, the issue is located in your phone, and you need to fix your phone. Let's focus on our headphones. If the issue persists still, you need to perform a factory reset, and this is the only thing that we can actually do. Find this plus button right here and this circular one, these two, and hold them for 5 seconds simultaneously, because this is the factory reset. This should actually fix your issue. If it didn't, you need to contact the device support to have your issue fixed. Bye!